Hello there you beautiful people, this is Chris from TechSpert, and today Amazon has sponsored me to set up and check out the all-new Blink XT2 smart home security camera. Blink, as you can see there, an Amazon company. Its XT2 smart camera is just launched here in the UK. It starts from just £95 for a one camera setup, and you get a discount if you buy more than one for complete home coverage. And despite the fact that it's more affordable than a lot of rivals, you get all of those same great smart features. So for instance, two-way audio, 2 years of battery life on just two AA batteries. As you see there, full day and night coverage, doesn't matter whether you want it indoors or outdoors because it can deal with extreme weather as well. And make sure you stick around to the very end of the video as well to find out how you can have a chance of winning your very own Blink XT2 camera system setup just like this one worth £180. So first up, let's rip this bad boy open and see what you get in the box. And slip this one out of the packet, and there we have it. So as you can see right there, this is the two camera box. I'm loving the discreet little design. These things are really tiny, certainly compared with a lot of the other smart cameras that you get these days. And of course you get everything you need bundled in the box to actually get them all set up, mounted outside or indoors if you like. And they even bundle a nice bit of Energizer battery action as well. Hooray! That's good because I'm always running out of these things. And then as you can see here, a bit of quick setup guide action. And just as a friendly little warning to anyone who might be wandering past, protected by Blink Video Security. Yeah! So that right there is everything you get in the box. You get the Blink XT2 cameras themselves, of course, enough battery power to keep you going for up to 2 full years. You get the mounts, you can install them either indoors or out, and of course you get the sync module as well. And now it's time to get this all installed. The first thing you want to do once you've yanked everything out of the box is to download the Blink Home Monitor app, which is available on the Google Play Store for Android devices. It's also available on the Amazon App Store and also the Apple App Store if you've got an iPhone. Just hit install. Once that's downloaded, just open it on up. And of course, if you've not used the Blink camera before, you'll need to create an account. Just follow the instructions. It's nice and simple and straightforward. So that took all of about 30 seconds. Now it's time to tap the Blink logo and get our system set up. This again is pretty straightforward stuff. Just give your system a name, and then we've got to add the sync module. This is an absolute piece of pie because all you got to do is scan the QR code on the back of the sync module. So I'll just stick it on there. There you go. Enter the serial code for you. Don't have to do any annoying typing in or anything like that. Then you'll need to plug your sync module in. It's always best to do this somewhere near where you're going to actually install the cameras. And when the old blue light starts blinking, it's time to sync up. And there we have it, all done. So now it's time to actually add the cameras onto the system and get them all set up. So first up, what you'll need to do is just poke down this little grey notch thing and then just ease up the back like so. And then that exposes the XT2's innards. We'll shove in those batteries. Like so. And then you may have noticed another QR code squirreled away inside, and that's what we'll need to set up. So once again, it's just a case of scanning that QR code using the phone. Once again, just follow the instructions, and a few seconds later, your Blink XT2 cameras will be all set up and ready for action. Now, you just got to decide where to stick them. One of the best things about the Blink XT2 camera setup is the fact that they're so dinky, and of course the whole wire-free design means that you can move them about wherever you want them. If you're not happy with the original position, and just try them somewhere else. They can be used indoor or out as well. You can just stick them wherever there's a space, or you can actually mount them up. And because they're IP65 water and dust resistant, they'll be absolutely fine even when left outside against the elements. If you want to use them indoors, you can actually just prise out this little rubber tip thing here. And as you can see, you do have a micro USB plug there. You can actually plug them in. So if you don't want to use the batteries, you can actually have them permanently powered up that way. Instead, you just have to provide your own plug and cable, of course. And the Blink app is dead easy to use as well. If you're going to be leaving the homestead, just click this little button here, and as you see, the cameras will then arm themselves. At any point, you can just take a snapshot from the camera to see what's going on in that particular room. And if you actually want a live feed, just tap this little button here, and you'll be able to see exactly what is going on with full audio feedback as well. You can actually save little clips of whatever is going on in the room at the time, and you can also hold this little button here, and you'll be able to chat with whoever is skulking around. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there?
Just play the game.
Are you stealing my stuff?
No.
The Blink XT2 cameras capture video in full HD resolution, so everything's nice and crisp, and you've also got a night vision mode as well, so you can even see what's going on in the dark. When your Blink cameras are armed, they have full motion detection enabled as well, so if you are away from home, you'll get a nice little notification if they pick up on any kind of activity whatsoever. All you need to do then is give them a quick tap, and as you see there, you get a full list of all of the little video clips that it's recorded. So when you get a notification pop through, you can see exactly what is going on, see any shady characters lurking about, or perhaps it's just a cat wandering by. so no worries. And the other great thing about the Blink XT2 cameras is you get free cloud storage thrown in as well, so you can store literally hundreds of video clips absolutely free of charge. Normally you have to pay some sort of subscription fee or something like that to have that kind of peace of mind, but not here. And there's impressive levels of customization here as well. So for instance, you can change the retrigger time, the sensitivity levels of the camera, all that kind of shenanigans, and actually set up proper activity zones as well. So as an example, my cat likes to settle on this little sofa down here at the bottom of the picture, and that's obviously going to trigger the camera quite a lot, which is going to be rather annoying. So what you can do is just completely ignore that area, just set up the rest of the picture as a hotspot, and then if somebody wanders by, that will trigger a notification, but Little Miss Snuggles will be completely ignored. And if you dive into advanced, you can set it up to be even more precise. It really is very impressive stuff indeed. And that right there in a nutshell is the Blink XT2 wireless home security system. It's available right now from Amazon and also from the likes of Argos, Curry's PC World, Very and Screwfix. And now for your chance to win your very own dual camera Blink XT2 security system, just like that one, what I was showing off there. Nice and easy to enter. All you got to do is leave a comment down below, and somewhere within that comment mention the expected battery life from 2 AA batteries in a Blink XT2 camera. Full T's and C's, including the expiry date for the competition, will be in the video description just beneath, and we'll be in touch with one of you lovely fine folk to arrange delivery once we've picked a winner. So have yourselves a lovely week, people, and thanks for watching. Cheers!